Darla! Yes, 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 yes. Lang, how much the 719 plus 15? Oh, because only one answer that. It's close of 700. Next time, can you sponsor me? Because, if you're gonna sponsor that, I'm gonna spoil you every day. Yeah. 734. Okay, I got it. 734. Oh my God! See, I love that butterfly. I told you the number. I love that. Hey, 50. Focus. Don't too much focusing on your work because it's more stressful. It's more stressful, and I don't want you to be stressed of that. If you're gonna focus more than to me here, you're gonna feel relaxing on your mind, your body, your soul, and of course, your banana. Excited, di pa nga ako naka 5 star, ano, zero. Lang, relax. If you're gonna take care of me, I can take care of you. Yeah. Let me try. You can try it first to me. 734. What's that number? Wait, I forgot. Wait, copy. 734. I like that. I like the the number. I like the late respond to the mind, because that was the innocent guy. Oh, gentleman, gentleman. 754. Wait, okay. 734. Marimar, wa ang order karon na. Nana, wala pa. Gibayaran na nako. Mutawag na to. Shh! I will try it. I will give you more happy. Daddy, are you gonna spoil me? Mm. Nan, unsiza na, arigato. Okay, continue, continue. 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 Okay, now, you gonna grade me again? Is that what you want, ID number?